Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deploy your Antigravity app using GitHub and Vercel. Start by opening your Antigravity app. At the top menu in the Agent section, click on the three dots and select MCP servers. In the list, search for GitHub and install the GitHub MCP server. It will ask you to enter your personal access token. You can find this by going to the settings in GitHub and opening developer options. Generate a new token if required and paste it in Antigravity. Wait for the installation to finish so everything connects properly. Once the server is installed, go back to your project and type the prompt, make a new GitHub repository, and push these changes to GitHub inside Antigravity. This will sync your project with a GitHub repository. Give it a moment to complete and make sure your files are uploaded. Now open the Vercel dashboard and log into your account. If your GitHub account is not connected, connect it first so Vercel can access your repositories. After that, click on Add New and select Project. You will see a list of your GitHub repositories. Choose the one you just created from Antigravity. Click Deploy to start the process. Vercel will now build and deploy your app. Once it is done, your app will be live. From now on, whenever you push new changes from Antigravity to GitHub, Vercel will automatically redeploy your app with the latest updates. Thanks for watching.